Good morning.
Good morning. We are here in Chicago finally. We spent the first night. We just got in. We ordered some food and kind of hung out, watched some TV, just kind of relaxed, took a bath, nice long shower. We'll do a Airbnb tour later, but right now it's time for us to go get some coffee and get some food. So our Airbnb is located in East Village, right?
Yeah.
East Village area. It is a very big Airbnb. Actually, it's 3 flights of stairs up. But here we go. Let's go explore. All right. It is actually a very lovely day. It's windy, just a little bit. It's about almost 70 degrees, which makes it actually a very pleasant day.
Smells so good out here.
Yeah. It's a very interesting area that we're in. I like it a lot, actually. So we didn't get a chance to really look around. We're right next to a soccer field. So we have coffee now. We have just visited this place here. Welcome back to our adventures and misadventures of exploring Getty. So we got coffee, right? Thinking that
It was delicious, by the way.
it was very delicious.
Highly recommend.
Big Shoulder, right?
Big Shoulder.
Big Shoulder
Yeah.
is the name of the place here in Chicago.
They roast their own beans. Whenever we go somewhere, I look for someone that roast their own beans or has like a central roasting instead of one roaster.
Right. So with that said, we were like, okay, let's go do a river tour.
Do it.
Architecture river tour, right? We're ready to go. We got called the lift, and the lift arrived, drove us all the way down here. We bought the tickets on Groupon.
Woo!
And then, well, they're not operating today.
No, turns out they're operating Friday through Sunday. Guess what day we go home? It's Friday.
We go home Friday.
And also today is like the best weather. It's 74 degrees of a high today.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's high is 50. So obviously if we want to be on the water, today's the day.
Today's the day. Cooler weather, breezy, it's nice, it's sunny, no
lovely.
complaints, lovely. So I gotta call Groupon. I gotta see if they can refund our money, because we're not gonna be here for it, right?
Right.
Probably should have read the fine print, which is fine, I understand. However, they should be able to refund us for a ticket.
This one's normally much more detail oriented. Normally I'm the one who's like, detail, schmetail.
I saw the Groupon, it was like, save 40%, and I was like, oh, that's an awesome deal. Yes, I want to save 40% right now. And I didn't read any fine print.
So we paid money for nothing. But now we booked another tour that leaves at 3.
Right.
And it's 2 miles away, so
2 miles away.
hence the booking it and breathing hard.
Yeah.
Because we still haven't eaten yet.
We're walking super fast. Yeah, all we had is coffee. She's had 2 coffees. I've had 1, which is fine.
Although yours was like 20 ounces and mine were each 12, so really I only had 4 more ounces of coffee.
Right.
Let's put it in perspective.
So we're gonna look for something to eat. We're gonna try to maybe sit down. We should probably check in first, huh?
I
Maybe.
already have our tickets. Everything's
Okay.
good.
All right, let's find something to eat. It's an adventure, right?
Always.
When you go on an adventure, sometimes it may be a misadventure, but you just do the best you can to roll with the punches. Well, we decided to find some place to eat. A place called Half Sour. They do have indoor and outdoor seating. We are seated indoors, but the window behind us is open. Anyway, it's really, really cool in this place. So, like I was saying, this place is indoor and outdoor seating. Even though it is nice, I want to sit kind of indoors because there's no one really sitting in here as of right now. And there goes my beautiful and lovely wife. So gorgeous. Good afternoon. We have to catch a lift over here. We're gonna take the Wendella River Tour, architectural tour. So that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna go check in. Hello.
Hi. I have
We made our boat tour, so now we're just waiting to get out of here to start the tour. We ran down the stairs. We're not gonna run up the stairs.
No.
They do a bag check. All the chairs are socially distanced, and there's sanitizer at the bag check as well. We just finished up the architecture tour. We were going to go to the top of
Sears Tower.
the Sears Tower, the 360.
And now the Willis Tower.
And then where it like leans you over the city and whatnot. But it is closed today, so we're not going to do that. Good thing we checked, or my wife checked. She did. I didn't. Check the fine print. It is closed. We're not going to do that. It's still very windy, but it's still very comfortable.
It's
I cannot stress to you
77 degrees
how
right
wonderful
now.
the weather is right now.
But with wind, it's probably like 70.
Right. So you guys are going to be catching all the wind. Sorry, I don't have my gimbal. Gimbal ran out of battery during the middle of the tour, so I had to do the rest of the shooting by freehand. Lovely.
Not the rest, just for the next hour or so.
Yeah,
We're gonna go see the bean, and then
Yes.
we were told by our lovely barista at Strong Shoulders Coffee to check out Randolph Street to eat. So we'll probably
Yes. Rainbow.
Randolph.
Randolph?
Yes, like
Oh.
Rudolph, but with
I thought it was Rainbow.
like Rudolph, but the German version.
Okay.
Randolph. So we're gonna go check out the bean, and then we're gonna check out Randolph Street and see if there's anything we want to eat.
Yep. And then we'll probably start heading back towards our Airbnb. All right, with that said, we're gonna go explore some more and check everything out. See you in a bit. We have made it to Millennium Park. We're gonna go walk around, check out some sights.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hello. Hello, we've made it.
To one of the two must-do things. We've actually done both must-do things
Yes,
today.
we have.
So everything else that we do in Chicago will be a bonus.
The wind is kind of kicking up. I was going to try to fly the drone, maybe, and get like a nice aerial shot of the bean.
That'll be cool.
We're going to
But
go
the
up.
wind is
Yeah, the wind's coming.
making me look like Beyonce, which is very nice. But yeah.
But it's very awesome. Let's take a look. They have set up barriers all around it, so you can't go up and actually touch it. But it is very, very shiny and very, very lovely. Oh, there she is. Oh, there it
Oh,
goes.
wow, Bean.
There it goes.
You're a gorgeous girl.
Now it's popping. All done with Millennium Park. It's not busy, but it's busy enough for us to leave. Okay, as I was saying, we did take a couple pictures without our masks, but we were more than 6 feet away from people. A lot of people were coming within that 6-foot range, taking off our mask and taking pictures. So we were just like, okay, well, it's obviously time to go because no one wants to comply with this is a rule. Come on.
Well, there was also I have parents with their kids, which, you know, for sure, take your kids out, let them explore, let them experience. But also, police your kids.
Please, your kids, please. Do not have them walking up to us or next to us or brushing up without a mask.
Or doing karate kicks into the air.
So we're gonna head out. We're already out. She's gone. Come back.
I'm coming. I went around.
We're gonna go down Randolph Street.
Yeah.
Apparently this is like restaurant row. There's a ton of restaurants. Oh, we got 25 seconds to cross the road. I don't know if we're gonna make it.
Hey.
One more thing I gotta add is this absurdly amount of people not wearing helmets
Like
on
y'all.
bikes and motorcycles. Like, come on, y'all.
You know
It
what's
just
even
takes
more real than the
one
coronavirus,
fall.
which is very real, is a traumatic brain injury for your life.
Takes one fall, y'all.
Ugh.
Wear a helmet. And second, wear your mask.
And wash your
properly.
hands.
And wash your hands.
And don't touch your face.
Don't touch your face.
Public service
eyeballs.
announcement.
put fingers in your mouth, anything like that.
Don't lick anybody else's eyeballs.
Cover your cough, cover your sneeze.
Like a vampire, not like 4 feet away like this.
But
Not like you're holding in a
sneeze. Cough. Oh, we're not even on Randolph. We gotta go one more street up.
Okay.
I think. We're on the wrong street, y'all. Okay, I gotta stop recording so we can navigate. Alrighty, we have eaten today at what's the place called?
The Forbidden Root.
The Forbidden Root. It is now 8:30. We had the old-fashioned uvu, which was pretty good. This is a view of the place on the inside here. They do have partitions in between the tables, and they also have a menu here of what's on tap.
And they're socially distanced tables.
Yes, they're socially
Inside and
distanced
outside.
tables. But the vibe here is pretty chill, pretty cool.
They got exposed brick. They've got the original ceiling with like
Yeah, the original ceiling is pretty
rosettes
amazing.
and inlays. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's just it's a nice place. So if you guys are here in Chicago ever, try this place here, which is called
Forbidden Root. There's also
Forbidden
one in Columbus,
Root.
which I cannot imagine is anything but phenomenal.
We're going to do an apartment tour tonight.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Okay, good night.
Good night.
The lighting is not great.
Oh, we can do it outside. You want? I'm doing the front porch here. No.
It's gonna be windy out there. So.
Good. Jeez.
Yeah, there's something very special about being on a boat and then waving at people who are not on boats. They know what they're missing out on.
Maybe.
Maybe.
We're-
Maybe.
Well,
I'm perfectly fine. I can navigate my way home.
we can navigate our way home. I might not be able to make it up the stairs.
Yeah, I think the gimbal's about ready to give up the ghost again. I charged it enough to get a couple shots, but she was done.
Oh, no.
Yeah. It's done.